Some builds go beyond upgrades. They redefine adventure. This is the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser LC78 V8, fully equipped and engineered for the toughest terrains. Fitted with Iron Man 4-arc-4 coils and leaf springs, combined with 2.5 Icon shocks with reservoirs and adjusters, this Land Cruiser delivers next-level control and stability on any track. The Apex bull bar, recovery points, and full underbody protection ensure it's always ready for the unexpected. With LED indicators, cube lights, and Steady Australia's Type X Evo spotlights, darkness is no limitation. And with a 12,000-pound winch with synthetic rope, recovery is fast, safe, and reliable. The full brake system, including a rear disc brake conversion, makes stopping just as powerful as going. Sitting on ROH's salt matte black bronze wheels, perfectly offset for the LC78, this build balances strength with roof conversion and overlanding gear. Equipped with an Alucab Hercules roof conversion, 270-degree shadow awning, and a shower cube, comfort meets wilderness. Underneath, dual Long Ranger water tanks keep the adventure flowing. Inside, premium sound and heat insulation from car builders creates a refined cabin. Everything, from the dual fridges and 2000W inverter. This Land Cruiser doesn't just go off-road, it becomes a home on wheels. MaxTrax recovery boards, spare tire mounts, gas bottle carriers, and an Outback water heater. Every detail is built for real exploration. Expedition outfitters have designed an interior that takes overlanding to another level. This is more than a Land Cruiser. It's a fortress on wheels, a machine built to conquer, and to carry you further than ever before. The 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser LC78 V8, where capability meets adventure.